You don't need money. You need discipline. Most people think they need money to change their lives, but that's not true. What they really need is discipline. I was out here today working on my no-till raised bed, using nothing but a yard rake and the leaves that fell from the trees. And while I was working, I thought about something. They want $500 or more for a tiller. $500. But the leaves on your lawn are free. A rake costs almost nothing. And the results are the same. Sometimes even better. Because you're working with the land instead of fighting it. People say they want freedom, but they keep choosing the expensive option because they think the expensive option is the only option. It's not. You don't need a lot of money to live well. I live on less than $500 a month, and I'm not suffering. I'm not struggling. I'm not blaming anybody. I'm disciplined. If you don't like your job, or you can't find one, do what you love and show it to the world. You will be rewarded in ways money can't buy. But don't blame the United States. Don't blame the system. And don't blame other people if you refuse to discipline yourself. Use what you have. Start where you are. Stop waiting on permission. Stop waiting on money. Stop waiting on equipment. The leaves are free. The land is free. The discipline is up to you.